Okay, Rabbit's looking for a little bird she caught, and I guess the cat scared it and it flew. Now we're trying to locate it. It's a little baby bird. You need to look down under there. Get a flashlight and see if you can shine it in there. See if you can see it. Might be up in there. Get your chair and look good. Yeah. Okay. No, it's not up here. I seen it come over in this area somewhere. It might be behind the. Let's see. We got to find a bird. There's a bird loose in a house. Take a chair over there and look up there. Is it up there?
I'm telling us I can't
Move.
see it.
I am. I got the camera anyway. Bring the flashlight. The green one. No, it's not up there. When I spot it, I'll tell you where it's at and you get it. All right? No telling where it's at. Scared it. Rabbit, I found it. It's between the refrigerator and the cabinet. But I don't know how to get it out either. Hold on. I need to get these out of the way. They're going to scare it. See? There he is.
I can't get my hands in there. I can't.
Hold on. Hurry.
Got it.
Yeah. There it is. There it goes. Rabbit, you need it. I think
There
it.
it is. It wasn't there.
Well, go in there and get it. This is an exciting one. Thelma, hold on to it. Don't let go of it. Get up and take him outside. Let him go. See, them birds just letting her pick them up. Then she brings them inside. Then they get scared and gets loose. Don't bring them back in. I told y'all right there. Y'all have the proof. Them birds loves my daughter. Okay. You can let it go now. Let's.
That is scared.
It's. There it goes. I think it's in that bush now. It's the end of it. I told you. They'll let my daughter pick them up. Y'all wouldn't have believed it unless till you saw it with your own eyes. Yeah, it's safe now. It's in the bushes. Okay, it had enough of my daughter. It don't want to go back inside the house since it's a wild bird. Hey, if y'all like this video, I'm still laughing on how funny it was her trying to keep that bird in her hand so she can bring it back inside. Y'all click that like button and subscribe, please. Y'all take care and God bless. See you later.